Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition 40 TFSI with the S Tronic gearbox. This particular vehicle is finished in the Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks stunning, especially on the angular features of this vehicle. As it is the Black Edition, it comes with the contrasting gloss black elements such as in the rear grille and bumper. Here we can see that blacked out S line badge, as well as the gloss black wing mirror with integrated indicators, rear privacy glass giving your rear occupant that much needed privacy, and finally the rear bumper, which is also finished with gloss black elements just like the A5 and Audi badges. Bit of a closer look now at that front quarter and onto the wheels. This vehicle comes with 20-inch 5 twin-spoke polygon design alloy wheels finished in gloss anthracite black with the diamond cut finish, adding to the sporty look of this vehicle. Here we can see a better look at that gloss black front grille and those angular front LED headlights. These will give you maximum visibility of the road ahead of you regardless of the weather condition. This vehicle is also fitted with front parking sensors, which are dotted along the front bumper and work in cooperation with the rear parking sensors, and it also comes with a rear camera. Onto the boot now. If you press the boot button twice on the key, it flashes those rear indicators and shows off the 465 litres of boot space. This is perfect for that pushchair or even the weekend away luggage, and if you fold the rear seats down you can get up to 1,300 litres of space. Into the rear of the vehicle we can see the part leather, part Alcantara seats with Isofix points on both rear seats, giving you capacity for 2 child seats safely and securely, and the rear passengers also get a centre armrest for maximum comfort and pleasure. Onto the front now, we can see the S-line leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, touchscreen display, dual front and tri-zone incorporating the rear climate control, as well as gloss black elements dotted throughout. Both front seats are of course sport seats finished in part leather and part Alcantara, with 4-way lumbar support for maximum comfort for both driver and passenger. Taking a look now at what the driver sees whilst they are out and about on the road, we have that leather wrapped flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel. On the left are the controls for your virtual cockpit, where you can flick between multiple screens from radio stations, phone, Bluetooth or navigation, and if you press the view button you can make those dials bigger and smaller. On the right, volume and voice control buttons for that mid-journey phone call and turning the radio down if need be. And underneath you have your speed limiter and cruise control. Taking a look at that central touchscreen display, as mentioned, everything that's activated by touch. You can have your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, DAB and FM radios, or simply just navigation if your passenger needs to input an address mid-journey. Under the dual zone climate we have the Audi Drive Select function, giving you maximum control over the overall feel of the vehicle, as well as the button to activate your parking sensors and rear camera, or you can just turn the display off altogether. Now looking at the dual zone climate, this gives passenger and driver control over their overall temperature and feel of the vehicle, and this also lets you control the one in the rear. Looking now at that gloss black dashboard with the little cubby hole for simply your change. The perforated leather gear selector, just push the button on the side and it moves forwards and backwards to select your gear, and park is there on the front. Electronic handbrake with auto hold incorporated, and an armrest with under armrest storage with a USB-C.